This season, creativity takes shape at MakersPlace, where a Christmas idea turns into a full festive setup, built through making and imagination. We start by designing a custom stand, the foundation that every element together. Built piece by piece, the reindeer comes to life through hands-on making and thoughtful design. Next, the Christmas tree, carefully crafted to complete the festive structure. The bell is 3D printed, taking shape layer by layer. Finally, Christmas lights are added, spreading a warm festive glow across the setup, bringing the entire scene together in one complete holiday view. With the setup complete, let's take a slow final look at our Christmas scene, built piece by piece, glowing softly with festive lights, and brought to life by imagination and holiday magic. And alongside it, 3 robots, programmed to move and interact, completing the scene. It's where creativity, technology, and imagination come together. From all of us at MakersPlace, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a season full of bright ideas. Learn, build, innovate. Join our 3D printing, robotics, electronics, and coding courses at MakersPlace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.